Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2022 Chevrolet Suburban. This Suburban is featured in a dark ash metallic paint finish and is the LT trim. It includes features such as heated and vented front leather bucket seats, heated second row captain's chairs, and a third row power fold flat bench for a total of 7 seating. We also have our Google Assistant Infotainment System with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a surround view camera, a dual pane powered sunroof, lane keep assist with departure warning, forward collision alert, and much more. Starting off in the front of the vehicle, we have our chrome finish door handle, power locks, power mirrors with our fold function, power windows, and our driver's seat memory with 2 memory settings, some storage in the rest of the door, and our Bose speaker in the front. Inside the vehicle, just to the left of the steering wheel, we have our electronic parking brake, lane keep assist with departure warning, front and rear park assist, traction control, 360-degree camera, as well as auto stop start and a way to turn on our 120-volt plugs. Just below it, we have our transfer case settings with our drive mode, our display cluster and exterior lighting controls, and an integrated trailer brake controller. Down the side of the driver's seat, we have our power settings, and we can see it finished in our jet black leather. Just on the side of the steering wheel, we have our power tilt telescopic steering, and on the back of either side, we have the controls for our radio. Getting into the vehicle and looking above our steering wheel, we can see our display cluster. We have a fully digital information system, and we can change everything about it. Moving down to the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we have our cruise settings, forward collision alert, as well as heated steering wheel buttons. On the right-hand side, we have voice recognition, hands-free, as well as all of the controls for our display cluster information. Just to the right of the steering wheel, we have our shifter and a push-to-start ignition tucked behind. In the center, we can see our Google Assistant Infotainment System. You can see that we can also see our climate controls through it. We have audio. If we click onto it, we can see we have AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth, Google News, Google Podcasts, as well as USB. Home hotkey in the bottom left, as well as audio, maps, our phone connection, and trailer assist. We have Google Maps, our phone connection. We have, if we click cameras, we have our full 360-degree camera. We have front and rear adaptive guidelines and our rear hitch guidelines. Google Assistant, our Google Play Store, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, our trailering assist, climate, a Wi-Fi hotspot, and more. Just below it, volume controls, home, back, seek, as well as menu controls. Then we have our front climate control with our dual zone, and we can also see we have our rear climate control for a third zone. Front and rear defrost, AC. We have our heated front seats finished with a heated seat back and seat cushion for the driver and the passenger. Below, USB-C, USB, a 12-volt, and our wireless charging pad. 2 cup holders with some storage. Center console, leather finish, storage up top. You can also see our key. We have our locks and unlocks, remote start, power tailgate, our powered glass, as well as our alarm system. Opening into the center console, you can see we have some deep storage as well as some removable storage in the back, USB-C and a USB on the front. Moving to the passenger seat, it's also our jet black leather, heated, vented, power, or heated as well as powered for our passenger. Moving above the rear view mirror, we have our OnStar buttons in the front, slide tilt sunroof controls, our sunscreen for the sunroof, folding second row seat controls. We have our power tailgate, dome lights on our door, as well as dome lights on either side, universal garage door opener with our 3 settings. Then lastly, our dual pane sunroof ranging from the front to the back of the vehicle. Now walking down the side of the vehicle, on the hood of the vehicle we have a 3M protective film. Moving down to our front tire and rim, we have our black alloy rim with our Chevrolet bow tie center cap. Moving out, we have paint match mirrors, as well as paint match door handles, and a black assist step across the bottom. Chrome roof racks. All the way around at the back of the vehicle, we have our Suburban and LT badging in chrome. Black Chevrolet bow tie. We have our trailer hitch at the bottom with a black cover. Back of the vehicle, we have our power tailgate, as well as our power folding glass. You can see that we have a third row power folding bench, have some storage underneath as well. Can fold the seat. We also have a 120 volt plug. That's our second seat fold, as well as our power folding third seat. You can also fold it up directly from the back of the vehicle. Then lastly, to close the vehicle, we have our button on the left-hand side, or our handle on the right. Moving into the back of the vehicle, we have a chrome finish door handle, power locks, power windows, as well as some storage and our Bose speaker. Inside the vehicle, back of the driver and passenger seat has storage pockets. We have our 2 cup holders with storage in the back of the center console. Have our tri-zone climate control. You can turn it on by either using our knob that controls our fan or our auto button. Also have mode, temperature control, as well as heated seats in the second row and 2 USBs. A 120 volt plug in the bottom with our cover. Moving to the seats in the second row, we have our twin captain's chairs finished in our jet black leather. You can fold these seats by simply pressing down the side. We can see it slides forward into a fold flat position. Back of the vehicle, we also have our leather finished seats and a 60/40 power folding bench. On either side, we have some storage with our cup holder, as well as a USB-C. And we can see on the passenger side, we have the same. On our roof, we have our lights, as well as our vents, and the second pane of our dual pane sunroof in the back of the vehicle. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2022 Chevrolet Suburban. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.